Hey guys, in this video we'll take a look at flip-flop profits. Now essentially guys, this is the exact formula or the exact method used by Demetris Papa to generate 5,600.48 per week with only 20 minutes of work. Now I'm not saying guys that you can make the same amount of money if you get it into the program or if you get it into the course. Now basically he's allowing you guys to replicate his exact business model that he uses since 2014, and now he's generating 5,626.48 per week or per promo with only 20 minutes of work without creating a product, without doing fulfillment services. Right now, what I really like about Demetris Papa is that he's really transparent and is really honest with his product, right? And that is why I really like this guy. Now this 5,626.48 guys is only possible if you have thousands of buyers email lists. You cannot make this kind of amount of money if you don't have an email list of subscribers, right? And how you can achieve that, how you can get thousands of email subscribers or buyers email lists, and that's exactly what you can learn inside of flip-flop profit. So basically Demetris Papa is gonna let you guys replicate his exact method, his exact blueprint to to build a buyer's email list and to generate 5,626.48 per week with only 20 minutes of work. Right now, before I'm gonna walk you through inside guys, before I'm gonna show you inside what you can expect inside of flip-flop profits, let me show you first my bonuses. That way when you guys pick this up through the link down on the description of this video, you will get access as well to additional value that will really help you guys up surefire your success with flip-flop profits. Right, so when you guys click the link below this video, which is the first link, it will bring you guys to my bonus page right here. So this is my bonus page for flip-flop profits. When you scroll down at the bottom portion of this page, you're gonna get access guys to all of my custom crafted bonuses right here. Right, my bonus number one guys, I'm gonna give you guys access to my affiliate marketing course that I created. It's called Crack the Code, and I put all of my knowledge in this training course right here. So this is essentially an affiliate marketing training course that's gonna show you guys how to 5x and 10x the conversions of your traffic, converting the traffic into sales. Right, so that is my bonus number one. My bonus number two, I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna give you guys access to the exact method that I use guys to make $70 per ClickBank over and over again. I actually have a word with Eric Hammer and I tell him that I make $70 over and over again. See this one right here, this is my name, and I generate $70 right here. And the other day I also sent him this other screenshot right here that I make $70 again. So I'm gonna give you guys access to the exact method that I use to make or to generate $70 over and over again. That way you can copy and paste the exact method that I use guys in this bonus number two right here. My bonus number three, I'm gonna show you guys how to get eyeballs, clicks, and most especially sales into your offer using my YouTube optimization method. This is the exact method guys that I use to generate eyeballs, clicks, and sales into my affiliate offer. That is my bonus number three. My bonus number four guys, I'm gonna show you guys a proven and effective and evergreen method to drive free traffic into your affiliate website, because inside of your flip-flop profits, Demetris Papa is gonna show you how to set up your website. It can be your blogging website, your review website, or your affiliate website. So this is super congruent to drive free traffic into your affiliate website or into your affiliate offer. So that is my bonus number four. My bonus number five guys, I'm gonna show you how to get free $100 to $500 coupon or voucher that you can use guys for paid advertising. So if you wanted to get fast results with affiliate marketing and you wanted to drive paid traffic into your affiliate website, then you can use this coupon code or voucher and save hundreds of dollars paying for ads. That way you can get fast result guys and can save hundreds of dollars. Alright, and this is guaranteed. Alright, so those are all of my bonuses, and of course guys, you also get access to all vendor bonuses. Right, so when you guys click any of these buttons right here from my bonus page, it will bring you that to the sales page of Flip-Flop Rapids. So this is the sales page of Flip-Flop Rapids. The headline says revolutionary proven 3-step formula shared by a real accredited entrepreneur reveals how he generates 5,626.40 per week with only 20 minutes of work. Again guys, this is only possible if you have thousands of buyers email lists, and that's exactly what you can learn, and that's exactly what he teaches you inside of Flip-Flop Rapids. Alright, so let me show you inside of Flip-Flop Rapids right here. So these are the modules that you can expect of Flip-Flop Rapids right here. So alright guys, so module number 1 guys is the overview of the method. Module number 2, what you will need, or what are the things that you will need. Module number 3, starting your foundation. Module number 4, how to create a brand in less than 3 minutes. And module number 5, this is really powerful guys, how to find a domains with inbuilt traffic. Now with this method guys, you should be able to get free traffic on autopilot, because it's gonna show you guys how to find a domains that comes with built-in free traffic, right? And then module number 6, how to build your website quickly. Module number 7 guys, a done for you template that you can use to post your content. That way you don't need to worry about creating your layout. You can just use this template, plug in this template into your website, and then create and post your content. All right, and then next module guys, setting up your lead form or lead capture page. That way you can collect those leads or email addresses and build up your buyers email list. All right, and the next module guys, you will get access to done for you homepage template, so you don't need to worry about designing a website, creating a graphics. You can just basically use this done for you homepage template. All right, and the next module guys, delivering bonuses for free. Next module, how to post and email at the same time automatically, right, which is really powerful. This can save you hours. All right, and then next module, gauge traffic method, get instant overnight commissions or commissions overnight. All right, and then next module is badge traffic method, and then next one is securing your domain, and then the last one guys is free traffic method that will guarantee an instant results. Right, so those are all of the modules that you can expect inside of Flip-Flop Rapids guys. Right, and yeah, just like I said guys, all of my bonuses are waiting for you inside of your Wario Plus account. If you guys would love to pick up Flip-Flop Rapids, through the link down in the description of this video. And if you have any more questions about this, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer all the questions that you have. And by the way guys, there are some upsells within this product. Upsell number 1 guys is done for you, so it's basically he's gonna set up everything for you. Right, and then OTO number 2 is the free traffic method. You can drive free traffic from Pinterest into your WordPress website. And then OTO number 3 guys is coaching plus done for you services. Right, so yeah, that's pretty much it guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next review video. Bye, love you. Mwah.